Guys, if you know you want to go viral on YouTube in the year 2025, I'm saying this in January 2025, if you know you want to go viral, please use this VidIQ. This VidIQ will give you suggested titles, suggested keywords, suggested hashtags. This VidIQ have made most of my video go viral. Can you see these views? I got these views. That was, I think it's close to 2 months now that these views reach how many millions views. Although this video is a short, I got these millions views just by optimizing your video. I keep on saying, create a good content, optimize your video using VidIQ. There's an app called VidIQ that alone will optimize your video. Is a form of AI software, but if you once you upload your video on YouTube, you connect the app together. Once you connect the app and your with your Google, sorry, your YouTube channel together, this now all your video will appear in VidIQ. You understand? And what this app does is that this app will push your video, like it give you suggested this in title, hashtag, description. It will give you the scores on what you are talking about. I don't know if you're understanding me. Like it will give you the right thing you're supposed to put there. How many of you know that putting the wrong hashtag, putting the wrong title can cause low low views? So if you understand this, if you understand what I'm trying to say, please indicate in the comment section. Honestly speaking, this works. I tried this in one of my previous video. I just opened this. As you can see, this channel is a backup channel because my major channel has some restriction, so that's why I'm using this channel to upload. But this video I'm talking about that I got millions of views is on my main channel. You understand? So so the reason I'm bringing this update is that this is new year. This is 2025. We are no longer at 2024 now. See, some people might say that they have tried this app, it doesn't work. You are the one that doesn't know how to do it. Honestly speaking, if you know how to do it, you will not see it. There's nothing wrong with this app. I'm telling you sincerely, I've tried it not once, not twice. I've tried it up to 5 times, and the video I got in those the views I got in those videos is not to be compared with the one I use my normal head to do. You understand? The major use of AI is to support. You understand? So this VidIQ will help you optimize your video. It will give you suggested title, give you suggested hashtag, keywords. You understand? Like there was a video I uploaded, that was yesterday. I used VidIQ to kind of what is it called? I used VidIQ to kind of merge it to see. I use my title and I use VidIQ. You understand? So VidIQ changed the title of mine because of my own is low. People that might search for that title I just put there is just few. You understand? So they gave me a suggested title of which that once I use that title, people will begin to click on that title. People that is in your niche to the tutorial section. I don't want to waste more time in this video. So if you're seeing this face for the first time, do remember by liking this video. Now, for those of you that doesn't know what VidIQ means, VidIQ is a software. It's a software that enables you to get views, engagement, that boosts your content outside by adhering to their instruction, because they have guidelines there. Now, if you adhere to their guidelines, you use their hashtags, you use their keywords, you use so many of. It's called optimization. This thing I'm talking about is called optimization. If this video is of help to you, please like and share. And for those of you that have questions, please indicate in the comment section.
You enter your app store. That is for those of you that is using iPhone. Then if it's Android you are using, you go to Play Store to download this. You just type VidIQ. You understand? Then this will show. You understand? This VidIQ for YouTube. You click on open because I've already downloaded it. So this is my video. This is the last post I did yesterday. So now you click on boost you click on score with boost. So this is what it will show you. This is the interface it will show you. So now what you do next, now you look at this title. They were the one that gave me this title. Say boost your video engagement, how to upload video. Can you see this, how to upload video? This is the keyword. Then why this one is the this is the hashtag, this is the tag, then this is the keyword, then this is the title of the video. So now let's check on checklist. So this checklist, can you see all of them is green? There's no one that is red. If you upload a video and your title, and most of them here, like this first one, title length, let me just say is 70, it will show 70 out of 60, it will show red. It must be 59 or 60 out of 60. You understand? It will not be much and it will not be that too less. So then this description length, this one is 1127 out of 5,000. Can you see it? So the minimum here is this is 1,000. Let your description reach up to at least, at most, 2,000. You understand? So it will not be more than and it will not be less. So that's how you will do it till you reach this final place made public. You understand? Then look at the SEO. This is the SEO. This one, 21 out of 50 is a pass mark. This tag count. You understand? Can you see all this in thumbnail? Your thumbnail and title feedback would boost. So this is the thumbnail I did out of the video. So this is how you will do it. Okay, let's take for instance, okay, let me re-edit one other thing here in this video. Sorry. You go to this side. They will show you a suggested title. Look at it. Look at this title that they gave me before. They see suggest another title for me. They say boost your video engagement 10 tips. This on that one. Then if you click on this boost your video engagement 10 tips, if you click on it, now it will replace it with this one. This first what is it called? This first title. It will replace it. So this is how you do your video. And if you want to check here, this is checklist. Like as I said earlier, this is the place you see if anyone is like, if anyone if anyone is showing red, means that you need to re-edit it. If it's the link, because description link is very important. This description link, you find one other of your video that is saying almost similar thing that with what you are talking about. You carry the link and put it in this description side. Then this hashtag in description, you put hashtag in your descriptions. Yes, hashtags and keywords, you put it in your description. Then this what is it called? This add one tag to description. Add one tag to description. Yes, you put a tag in your description. Add one tag in title. The same thing. I've done all this one. So this process alone is called optimization. It's called video optimization. You are optimizing your video. You are making YouTube algorithm help you push your video. See, and it said to reach a bigger audience, share your videos on every social media with your community engagement and viewer. It will help you get more views if you drive your audience to watch it. So can you see it? So this is how to do this video. You understand? Sorry, this is how for you to do your optimization. So any other further question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks.